Frankie, don't make a face like that.
All right, Westshorn mom.
I'm sorry, I didn't know you guys were taking pictures already. I was trying to get close up.
Frankie, stick your tongue in your mouth, please. Hey, Ingrid Norris. Ingrid Norris, yeah, look this way, babe.
Where is he? I can't, woman, I can't. Oh, she's trying. Oh. Okay, everybody close your eyes for a second. It'll go away in a minute.
Everybody close your eyes. It's going.
Okay, it's going. Ready, smile.
Oh, my teacher.
My teeth
Mine
hurt.
too. My teeth. No, tooth hurt.
No, because I gotta, like, get close-ups of some more of you.
Okay, can we do a wave?
Now I want, hey, everybody look at me. Everybody look at me. And I want you, Erica, hold on, step back. Everybody look like you are surprised. Surprise look. Okay, now everybody look like you are angry. Angry. That's right. Now everybody look like Uncle Josh stinks.
I noticed a couple of them have just kept the same thing. Just saying.
Okay. It's like kryptonite. It's like kryptonite.
Everybody cover your eyes.
Everybody cover your eyes.
I can do this.
Okay, it's out. Or it's in. It's back. Whatever.
All right, are we done, ladies and
Wait.
gentlemen? Oh, wait.
If you guys are done, I want to go do some more close-ups. I want to get, like, a couple more groups, okay? All right, I did you three. I did you guys. Let me see the two of you.
You didn't do me. Yeah,
Let me see the two of you together.
What about me and
I did
Kevin?
you three. I haven't done you and Kevin. Kevin.
How about me and Freya? Me and Freya.
You're down there, Trevor.
Okay, Luke and, yeah, you four. That's awesome.
That's a good picture.
Great. Okay, you two
No,
together.
okay, no, you look this one, I look this one.
I want to have pictures of Kendra.
And wait. I got one of you. Okay. Yeah. And I got one of you. Okay, then as far as I am concerned, you guys are done. But wait for other adults. Make sure everybody's done.
I want everybody to give me. Everybody get back, Uncle Josh. You guys gotta get ready. I want you all to give me your best model pose.
Ooh, ooh.